Namaskaram. It is one of the first ground principles we were taught when we were kids. Everyone has told you to never wash your face with soap, right from your mother who treated your skin as a child to the present day dermatologists. You have always questioned why. What does the soap contain that makes it incompatible for the skin on the face? Guess what? Your dermatologist and your mother both possessed the precise idea behind the why. The skin on our face is far more sensitive than the skin on the rest of our body, even though our entire body is covered with the same skin. Because harsh and toxic chemicals in the skincare products and cosmetics can negatively affect the skin and texture of our facial skin. Hence, it is crucial to be especially cautious about what we put on. Additionally, the negative effects of some products may be chronic or even permanent. Washing the face with the same basic soap we use for the rest of our body is one of the most typical skincare blunders that people make every day. It should be noted that while our skin is acidic, soaps are alkaline in nature. The fat found in our skin layer serves as a barrier against the dust, heat, and the diseases. When we wash our face with soap, the chemicals in it rob us of our delicate facial skin and its natural oils because body soaps are considerably harsher than the face washes. The skin may get permanently damaged as a result, appearing agey and even wrinkly. Additionally, using abrasive soaps on the face might have negative effects such as depriving the skin of its organic oils and lipids that serve as a protection. Your face may get dry and lose its natural moisture due to the alkaline nature of the soap bar. Regular soap application to the face can cause breakouts and make the skin even drier and more irritable. Although the harsh chemicals in it may be good for cleaning your body, they are most definitely useless for the face. Your face contains numerous pores, making it susceptible to obstructed pores, blemishes, acne, blackheads, and pimples if proper care is not taken. Soaps can also lead to impaired vitamin D absorption. There are many options when it comes to facial cleansing. The right choice for you will depend on your skin type and personal preference. No matter what, it is important to choose a cleanser that is made specifically for your face. We anticipate that these handy tips will prove advantageous for you. Let us know which tip has worked for you the best. We'll see you soon. Pranam.